Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something that's been on a lot of minds: how to delete your Discord account in 2025. Whether you're stepping away from the platform for good, switching to a new app, or just decluttering your digital life, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. It's quick, straightforward, and I'll make sure you don't miss a beat. So, grab your device, and let's dive in. First things first, why might you want to delete your Discord account? In 2025, with all the new privacy updates and data regulations, it's easier than ever to take control of your online presence. Maybe you're concerned about data security, or perhaps you're just ready for a fresh start. Whatever the reason, remember that deleting your account is permanent, so double check before you proceed. Alright, let's get to the steps. Start by opening the Discord app or heading to the website on your computer or mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. Once you're in, click on the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open your user settings. This is your hub for all account-related options. Next, scroll down in the user settings menu until you find the My Account section. Here, you'll see various options for managing your profile. Look for the Account Removal or Delete Account button. Discord might have tweaked the wording by 2025, but it should be prominent. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your password for security reasons. This is a new addition in recent updates to prevent unauthorized deletions. Now, Discord will ask you to confirm your decision. They'll probably show a warning about what happens next, like losing access to servers, messages, and friends lists. If you're absolutely sure, go ahead and confirm. Depending on your region's data laws, you might need to wait a few days for the account to be fully wiped, but that's it, you're done. One more thing. If you change your mind, Discord often has a grace period for account recovery, so keep an eye on any emails they send. And always back up any important data beforehand. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.